we have limit n tends to infinity, cube root of n square minus n cube plus n. So when n is tending to infinity, obviously this n is tending to infinity, we have n square minus n cube. Right, obviously this is a negative number because n square would be lesser than n cube, as n is a positive number and n is tending to infinity. Cube root of this negative number, this also is a very big number. This also most probably must be going towards infinity. So we have a minus infinity here, we have a plus infinity here. How do we resolve this? Okay, so n tends to infinity. Let's see if we can make something like 1 by n here and try to cancel out or make some terms insignificant. Okay, let's do this. Let us take n common, or n, let's write this as n square n cube into n square by n cube minus n cube by n cube. We can write this cube root of this, right? Right, now if we take this n outside, then it becomes n times 1 by n minus 1, right? N times 1 by n minus 1, and we have plus n here, right? N times cube root of 1 by n minus 1 plus n, and if we take this both this n also outside, then this becomes n times cube root of 1 by n minus 1 plus 1. Okay, this we can write it as 1 by n minus 1 whole power. This one also we can write it as 1 power 1 by 3. Basically what we are trying to say, n times 1 by n minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 plus 1 power 1 by 3. We can write it like this, right? N times 1 by n minus 1 whole power n by 3 plus 1 by 3, right? Basically we made a slight algebraic modification. We have taken this n out and we taken this n cube common here from these two terms, and we have got this n outside. Now we know a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square is equal to a cube plus b cube. So a plus b is equal to a cube plus b cube by a square minus ab plus b square. Here let's call this as a and this as b. Then we can rephrase this. I mean, we can write it like this, right? A cube plus b cube. A cube is 1 by n minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 whole cube, that is equal to 1 by n minus 1. This is a cube, plus b cube is 1 again, right? This is b cube. Now what is our a square? 1 by n minus 1 whole power 2 by 3. This is our a square, right? And what is our ab? What is our minus ab? Minus ab is 1 by n minus 1 into 1, right? 1 by n minus 1 into 1. This is our minus ab plus b square. B square is nothing but 1, right? Now if we can see, we converted everything to 1. Okay, so we converted everything to this 1 by 9 n format. Now we can cancel this one, this minus 1 and this plus 1, right? And we have n into this, n is whole of this thing, right? Now n into 1 by n, the numerator has become 1 and the denominator is as is, 1 by n minus 1 whole power 2 by 3 plus 1 minus 1 by n minus 1 whole power 1 by 3. This is what we wanted, right? And n tends to infinity, we want to convert this into 1 by n format, and we have successfully converted. Now this part will become 0, this part will become 0. We will be left with 1 by this minus 1, 1 by minus 1 whole power 2 by 3 plus 1, right? And minus of minus 1 whole power 1 by 3, which is nothing but minus 1 whole power 2 by 3. This is an even power, so this is equal to 1, right? And minus 1 whole power 1 by 3. This is equal to minus of minus 1, which is equal to again plus 1. Basically 1 by 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 1 by 3. This is our correct answer. Right guys, simple problem. We have to, the only trick here is to take this n cube outside, okay, and represent this in the form of a cube plus b cube by a square minus ab plus b square. So, and to convert everything into 1 by n format, and so that 1 by n becomes 0 and n tends to infinity. Right guys?